Hey bro, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error problem. When your computer hasn't been updated with Windows for a long time, it turns out to be due to some kind of error problem. Clicking on the retry button still brings up the error code. There are various scenarios for why an update error occurs. In this tutorial, we will fix it in many ways. Method 1. Use Troubleshoot to fix update errors. First, you can try the troubleshooting feature. Open Settings in the Start menu. Type Troubleshoot in the search box at the top. Then you need to select Troubleshoot Other Problems. Here's where Windows Update can be selected. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Wait for the troubleshooting to finish detecting and fixing the problem. When it is done, it will show the cause of the trouble. Then you can try the Windows Update again. If it doesn't fix it, try the next method. Method 2. Enable Windows Update Service. You need to right-click on the bottom taskbar. Then select Task Manager. You need to select the Services option in the third column. Then click on Open Service at the bottom. This will open the Services program. Then you need to find Background Intelligent Transfer Service here. Okay, found it. You need to right-click on it and then select Properties. Then you need to change the startup type to Automatic. Then click Startup under Service Status. Okay, here's the setup done. Click OK and then find Windows Update. Okay, it's here. Perform the same operation. Adjust to Automatic and click Start. Okay, and it's done. Next, do the Windows Update again. Check if it fixes the error problem. Method 3. Fix Update Error with DISM command. You need to right-click on the Start option. Then select the Windows PowerShell Admin option. Next, you need to execute two commands. sfc/scannow. This command will scan the system for problems and fix them. DISM.exe /online/cleanup-image/Restorehealth. This command will check the system image and restore it. I will also put the command in a video description for you to use. Okay, the command execution is done. You can do the Windows Update again. See if it resolves the update issue. Method 4. Modify files in the registry. You need to press the Windows and R keys to open the Run window. Then type regedit and press Enter. This will open the registry editor. Next, you need to expand it according to this path. Then you need to click on Current Version. On the right side, it will show you some files. You need to right-click on Program Filester and select Modify. Then change the value data to C:/program files. Click OK. This completes the operation. Then you can try Windows Update again. Method 5. Download the Windows 10 Update tool. This method is only available for Windows 10. You can download the Windows 10 Upgrade tool directly from the Microsoft website. I will put the link to the web page in the video description. Clicking Update Now will download the upgrade program. Click to open it. It will detect your computer first. Then you can click on Update Now. I have a disk space shortage problem here and need to clean up the data on my C drive. If CPU or memory is not supported, the upgrade will not work. Click Try Again and Update Now. Okay, the problem is solved. Click Next. Wait for the Windows Update firmware to finish downloading, and then it will be installed. Here you will be prompted to restart 30 minutes after the installation is complete. You can also restart your computer on your own. Okay, I won't demonstrate the follow-up because the update is taking too long. This is all about fixing the Windows Update error problem. I hope my tutorial will help you to fix your Windows. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will post more videos about fixing your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.